Hi, my name is McKinley. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mini pizzas. These are the ingredients you need. Slider rolls, mini slider rolls, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Then you need a spoon, sauce, and mozzarella sticks shredded. Mozzarella shredded. So first step is you need to put your slider rolls inside the toaster. So open up your slider rolls, split them apart. Then we go put them in the oven. Step 2, you'll put your slider rolls in the oven on toast. If you have a toaster oven, put it in there. Next step is that you have to take it out of the oven, turn it off, make sure you're wearing gloves, and flip it over, make sure it's nicely toasted, and put it back on toast for 3 minutes, and make sure you do this side first. When you're waiting for that, you wait for it and you can put your gloves down. Usually goes for 3 minutes, and if it's not toasted by then, you can put it in for more time. After you do that, you take it out, shut it off first. Next, we'll go over here. Now we assemble it. Make sure the tray is not hot so you don't burn yourself. Next, you'll grab your spoon and your sauce. Open your sauce up. Next, you put your sauce on. Take as much sauce as you would like, but not too much. Take a spoonful and take the side. Spread it around on both toasts, both of them. Then take another handful or spoonful. You might need a little more. Then we put your Italian seasoning on. It's onion powder, Italian seasoning, it has oregano in it, and garlic powder. Make sure you mix it up. Next, after you do your Italian seasoning stuff, put your mozzarella. Make sure it's shredded mozzarella, not shredded, not too much. Put as much cheese as you would like, because if you put too small of it, it will go down and won't be as much cheese. So put a bit of cheese on it, as much as you would like. Once you do that, you put it back in the toaster oven. Make sure you have gloves on so you don't burn your hands. So after you do that stuff, you put it back into the toaster oven. Might still be hot, so make sure you wear gloves again. Still wear gloves. Next you can either put it on toast or pizza. I'm gonna put it on pizza, so we're making a pizza. For 4 minutes, you hit start. After that's done, you'll take your pizza out. And now it's time to enjoy. Before we get into enjoying, I would like to bring in my friend Rosie to enjoy it with me and test it.
Hi guys.
Make sure it's not too hot so you can eat it. So we'll let it cool down for a bit. Just maybe wait a couple of minutes. So now it's time to enjoy. So good.
McKinley, this is the best.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.